Hey, in this video we're going to show you how to create a customer's account to become a buyer on ShopPaddi. Go to shoppaddi.com or click the link in the description below and click on login and register. Click on register and add your email address and password. Now let's complete the email verification. Go to your inbox and find the mail and click to verify. Once verifying your mail, you will end up on your dashboard. Here are all the options that you have. Let's go to account details and update your information. You can change your display name and your password. Save changes. Let's update the addresses. The billing address. Add any company name if you have, and update your address. And save address. Update your shipping address as well. And save address. Now let's browse around the website. Let's search for a product. And click on the product. Let's add one to cart and see how to check out. You're going to see that this company offers only local pickup in store. And proceed to checkout. Scroll down. Update your information if it's wrong. As you can see, we made a typo. And if you want to ship it to another address, click the box and update it. For now, we're going to uncheck and let's see the different payment methods. You have two payment methods, one through card and one through bank transfer / MCB Juice. Let's try the first one first. Don't forget to read the terms and conditions and place the order. Here you can see we've given the option to add our card details. Let's go back and see the second payment method. You're going to see all of the information given. Here you can see the account name and account number for you to do the transfer. This is your total. Please do include your order ID or else your order might be lost. Here is the shipping method that you chose. And you can see the final total payment. Let's go to our dashboard to view the order. Click on View. Let's go and check the vendor's account. Here you can see all of the products that they have. If you have any issues with your order, click the button next to follow to contact the vendor. The vendor might customize this button, so please be sure to click the button next to follow. You can also choose to follow the account. Let's go and see how to check all of the vendors that you followed. Go to your dashboard and click on Vendors. Here is the account. And now we're going to talk about the seller support ticket as previously mentioned. Click on View. And let's check the status of the order. As you can see, the order is placed on hold. Let's go on the vendor's account again to get support.
Here you can see the subject, add a subject, select the proper ID, and add your message, and click on Submit.
Let's see how you will communicate via this ticket. Go to Seller Support Ticket. And here you can see your report. And here you can converse with the vendor in regards of your order issues. For bookings is all of the events that you've booked. You can go and shop right now if you haven't booked any. Here is where you will find all of your return requests. Let's go back to our order and now leave a review. Scroll down and click on Reviews. You're going to rate the product and leave a message and submit. And here's how to browse as a customer on ShopPaddi.
Thank you for watching. Click the video on the screen to learn more about ShopPaddi.